banana, a yummy treat. C is for cake, for birthdays and cheer. D is for donut, round and dear. E is for egg, cook it just right. F is for fig, take a little bite. G is for grapes, purple or green. H is for honey, sticky and clean. I is for ice cream, cold and nice. J is for jelly, wobbly twice. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and small. L is for lemon, the sourest of all. M is for mango, juicy and bright. N is for noodles, twirl left and right. O is for orange, squeeze it for juice. P is for pineapple, spiky and loose. Q is for quinoa, tiny and round. R is for raspberry, fun to be found.